we want to answer the question why log 1 is equal to 0. Kuti tianze question iyi, chekutanga chatofanirwa kuziva ndechekuti we have a law of logarithms inotaura iyo ichiti if we have log a base b being equal to c, this means kuti b to the power c is equal to a. Zvaitika panapa taconverta from logarithms to indices. Ndiyo nzira yatinoshandisa kubvisa this log tichicreate an equation in indices. Saka using this property now, we should also understand kuti kana tisina a specified base, the base is going to be 10. Kureva kuti kuma logarithms we also use the denary system. Saka log 1 inenge iri log 1 base 10 like this. Saka let us assume that tizive kuti log 1 base 10 iri equal to chi, we make it be equal to x. Saka tati log 1 base 10 iri equal to x, tichishandisa this law of logarithms of converting from logs to indices, tinenge takuti 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Zvaitika pano ndezvekuti tati b to the power c inoi iri equal to a. Saka panapa tati 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Tadaro manje, in order for us to solve this, we have to express 1 in terms of 10. Kureva kuti inova 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 0, because any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then kana tava ne the same base, according to laws of indices, we can as well say x is equal to 0. Therefore, from this, log 1 is equal to 0. Tichishandisa zvatadzidza panapa, we come to the conclusion that log 1 base any number x is equal to 0. Saka chero ikava log 1 base 3, it remains equal to 0. I leave you with this task. Nemhaka yei zvichidaro. If you want the full lesson, check the link below.